Hey kids, here we are back with the last and the fifth video of our chapter number 8, Some Famous People. And in this video, we are going to learn about the some famous people from the present period. We have seen about Mother Teresa and Kalpana Chawla. Now, going ahead, in this video, we will see about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So I know that you all have heard the name of APJ, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and today we will see more details about him. So let's start. Children, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of India. So he belonged to a simple family from Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. So who was the 11th president of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the 11th president of. He was from very simple family and he was from Rameshwaram, which is situated in Tamil Nadu. Okay, going ahead, his father was a boat owner. What he was doing? He was a boat owner. When Kalam was a young boy, he sold newspaper to increase his family income. He completed his school from Rameshwaram Elementary School. So this was about Abdul Kalam ji. Children, he worked as a paper boy also to increase his family income, and he sold newspaper for that so that he can help his parent in his family income. And along with that, he never left his studies. He completed his schooling from Rameshwaram Elementary School. Okay. In 1954, he graduated in physics from St. Joseph College in Tiruchirappalli. Okay, so from where he did his graduation? From St. Joseph College, which is situated in Tiruchirappalli. After completing his higher studies in aerospace engineering, Dr. Kalam worked as a scientist with the Defense Research and Development Organization and with the Indian Space Research Organization also. So once he completed his aerospace engineering, he worked as scientist. Where he worked as scientist? In DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, and he also worked in ISRO. ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Children, full forms of both the things can be asked to you, so remember the full form of DRDO and ISRO, which is doing the research work on the space. This organization works for the research on the space. He was closely involved in the development of military missiles and thus came to be known as Missile Man of India. Children, he was involved with the development of military missiles, means those missiles which army people use during on the military or on the border. So during that, during his time, he was involved with the development of those missiles, and thus he was known as Missile Man of India. Dr. Kalam was honored with Bharat Ratna in 1990 award that was named as Bharat Ratna, and when he got it in 1997. The dignity with which he treated the people working with him, his love for children, and his simplicity and humility made him a true people's president. Remember, children, the person who with so much achievement has very simple life and he was very humble person. So children, to love the children very much, and he used to treated all the people working with him with such a great honor that made him a true people's president. So this was about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and I want you to study it from students book also. Children, here we complete our textual exercise, and with this I will be sending you the notes of the chapter. So everyone, complete the notes and take care of yourself. Bye bye everyone.